Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Brinjal is one of my favorite vegetables, and when it comes to South Indian cuisine, trust me, you can make as many side dish recipes as possible using brinjals. So today I am going to share my all-time favorite brinjal fry with peanut powder recipe with you guys. This is so good and you will get to know it yourself if you have it. So I will not keep you waiting guys any further, so let's dive right into the recipe and check it out. For the brinjal stir fry, I've taken about half kilo of fresh brinjals, wash them nice and clean, cut off the heads with the stalk and cut the brinjal into 4 vertically. Place the brinjal pieces in water so they don't change color or they don't turn dark. So now I'm going to make a very nice masala powder that goes very well with the stir fry. To the pan, add about half cup of peanuts. Now you can use roasted peanuts with or without the skin. Even if you're using roasted peanuts, just make sure you roast them one more time before making the powder. Transfer the roasted peanuts to another plate and keep this aside. To the same pan, add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 8 Byadagi Chillies. Next, add about 3 cloves of garlic. Just dry roast all these ingredients. Now if you don't want to use garlic, you can make this powder without using garlic as well. But garlic definitely adds to the flavor of the powder. Roast these ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer to the same plate. Cool the mixture completely. Once the ingredients have cooled down, transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. Halfway through, add half teaspoon of rock salt and pulse it a few more times. The peanut masala powder is ready. Keep this aside. To a nice wide pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal and 1 teaspoon Chana Dal. Just roast them. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 1/4 teaspoon of Hing, that is acerator powder. Next, add 3 green chillies slit. Now add 2 medium-sized onions that have been roughly chopped. Saute the onions till they turn to a nice golden color. Now add a few curry leaves. Next, add the cut brinjal pieces. Like I mentioned, this is about half kilo of brinjals that I've taken here. Saute the brinjals on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the brinjals are half cooked, add the ground peanut masala powder and mix everything well. You can see the brinjal pieces are coated beautifully with that masala powder. You can check for seasoning at this point and add a little salt if you need it. So continue to cook the brinjal just to make sure that the vegetable is cooked through. It's a very nice and simple dish to make. So after 15 minutes, if you see the vegetable is cooked beautifully, it's nice and soft and tender. Turn off the stove at this point and the brinjal stir fry with this tasty peanut masala powder is ready to be served. Now I am serving it with some nice hot sambar rice by the side. You can enjoy it however you like. You can eat it just by mixing it with some rice, or you can enjoy it with some nice rasam. Let me tell you, this is a wonderful dish that you can make with brinjals and everybody will absolutely love it. I've already made it a few times at home. We couldn't get enough of this dish. I'll give you a couple of links to the other brinjal dishes that I've made earlier. You can check them out. So just get some fresh brinjals and prepare this recipe. I'm sure it'll taste wonderful with just some hot rice and ghee by the side. You can also enjoy it as a side dish with some nice sambar or rasam. And make sure every time you make this recipe, the peanut powder is made nice and fresh. Do try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.